Hi everyone, this is Deanna, the Organized Miss, and I was going through withdrawals. I've not really had an opportunity to do a lot of crafts since I deconstructed the craft room, but I was determined to get some stuff out, and I needed to put together this month's scripture cards, which I had not yet done, and it's already the 10th of the month, but Grace, my friend, is very patient and with me, and so I decided I was going to pull out a couple of items, kind of scrounge through the craft room, and I have to tell you, my inspiration for the cards was my lunch. This celery. It's pretty sad now, but I had celery for lunch today, and before I threw this away, I thought, you know, I can turn this into a stamp. So that is what I had done. And I prepped my pages here. I did not film it. I should have. But I used this stamp. I picked out two colors. I've kind of been using this kind of blue and purple for this kind of series of, so last month is the new series, I guess, and so I'm using blue and purples, and I decided to stamp the blue first on these cards, and then I went back and I added the purple over them, let them dry, and I was able to access my stamps. So I've got a Ziploc bag here with some stamps, and I have some of my frequently used ones here, and I just stamped each one something different. Pretty easy. It was different. I hadn't made my cards this way, I think, at all, ever. And then I had some of this paper that was just lying around my daughter had used for a craft project, and I wanted to use it up. So I cut like little pockets on the back of these, or belly bands, and I glued them down, and I got one light purple, and then basically it was because there was a strip like sticking off here, and I cut it down so it would be kind of one piece, and then I added the tape over it to kind of, you know, just decorate it. But my friend really likes washi tape so I added it, so I knew she'd really appreciate that, the washi tape on there. And then I decided to put little tucks inside each of these little pockets. So there's something different in each one, and each one has a verse on it. And I tried to coordinate it with the kind of what I was thinking. So I've got this little stamp. This is actually a Planner Society stamp. I could not tell you what kit this came in. I just keep it in here with a bunch of little stamps that I really like. And then Blessed was another Planner Society stamp, and it was just a coffee mug, and I think it was for a tracker, and there were a couple different words, so I picked that one. I liked it a lot. I think she'll really think that's really cute. And here I have to have a crown in just about everything. And so this one was a journaling card. I liked it. Just put a little tab on it. Again, this pretty much is all Planner Society embellishments, except this heart here came from something else. This stamp was a kit. It was actually a set of stamps that I got from the Goodwill. I think they were Christmas stamps, actually, but this was the only one that didn't necessarily say Christmas, and I just thought that was so cool. So that one found its home on there. And I had another, you know, this one and the first one, I think these came from Target, actually. It's a little, probably, I don't know, a year or two ago. I've got several of these still left. Anyway, makes a good little tuck spot. It looks like spring to me. It's probably when I got it, actually. Another series of just stamps, word stamps. I just went looking for all my word stamps. And this one, okay, so that heart that was on the other card, this was a sheet of sticker cardstock, and I had pulled the words off, but this was the negative, and I didn't throw that away because I thought it would be fun So what was left after I took the stickers off, then I just peeled it and put it on there. And then I've got the verse there. I thought that was kind of fun. So the heart was somewhere over here with that. And let's see. And then I used this little thread here. You know, I showed this in a previous video, my little thread sewing where I just throw all my bits and bobs in. And I was maybe going to use this one at first, this little piece, but I decided to use this one. I think I had used, oh, that's cute. I think I had used this maybe on her thing last month. So we're just kind of keeping with same kind of colors. And that's it. So I just wanted to make a quick little video, show you what I did. I may do some more crafts tonight because I'm just feeling like I'm going through withdrawals. So it was a lot of fun. And you know, the point in all this is that you don't need a lot of stuff. You know, I condensed out of necessity. So that's given me an opportunity to be more creative and think outside of the box with just a few items. So maybe think about that. Look at your items and think of a new way to make things with them. I mean, celery. I mean, I know you can do them with potatoes too. You can cut a potato and put a design in it, but this was, I feel like I'm recycling. I'm recycling, so I may make some more things with this actually now that I'm thinking about it. Before I throw it away tonight, maybe I'll stamp some more papers. Give myself a little, you know, more paper. So had a lot of fun. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.